everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing login problems with KakaoTalk, then there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. So let's get started. First thing first, ensure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. After that, simply delete the KakaoTalk and download it from the Google. You can see the KakaoTalk is available in the Google. Simply tap on it and it will navigate you to the App Store and reinstall it. So after that, you will have to clear cache and data. In order to do that, open the Settings app. In your iPhone, simply scroll down, tap on the General and tap on the iPhone storage. Then search for the KakaoTalk and tap on it and simply offload the app and reinstall it. Sometimes offloading the app can fix various issues including the login problems as well. So after you do that, by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login problems with KakaoTalk. If the issue persists, contacting KakaoTalk support is the best course of action. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.